Let's solve the equation. 3 raised to power 3x is equal to 81 raised to power 3 over 4. In expanded form, 3 raised to power 3x is equal to 9 times 9 all raised to power 3 over 4. And in index form, 3 raised to power 3x is equal to 3 raised to power 2 times 3 raised to power 2 all raised to power 3 over 4, which is also equal to 3 raised to power 2 plus 2 all raised to power 3 over 4. 2 plus 2 will give us 4. So we have 3 raised to power 3x to be equal to 3 raised to power 4 all raised to power 3 over 4. Expanding the bracket equals 3 raised to power 4 times 3 over 4. Simplifying, 4 divided by 4 is 1. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 3 raised to power 3x is equal to 3 raised to power 3. Since the base of both sides of the equation are equal, let's then equate the powers, which gives 3x to be equal to 3. We divide both sides of the equation by 3. 3x divided by 3 is equal to 3 divided by 3. Simplifying, 3 divided by 3 is 1. 3 divided by 3 is 1. On the right hand side, 3 divided by 3 is 1 and 3 divided by 3 is 1. So we have x equal to 1. X equal to 1 satisfy the above equation.